I feel a snack pattern song coming on.
Snacks make a pattern when you put them together.
One after the other. Woo, that's clever.
You can sip, you can crunch them.
Dip them and munch them.
Let's make our own snack pattern. Snack patterns are so much fun.
Make your favorite one.
Carrots and dip. Dip, 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 crunch. Dip, 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 crunch. Dip, 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 crunch.
Snack patterns are so much fun.
Oh, I've got another one. Yogurt, berries, peaches. Yogurt, berries, peaches. Yogurt, berries, peaches. Mmm.
Snack patterns are so much fun. I've got a favorite one. Bread, turkey, cheese, pickle. Bread, turkey, cheese, pickle. Bread, turkey, cheese, pickle. Oh no, jaw extendo.
What's wrong, Beep? Everyone? What? I think we're done. These emojis.